नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम हिंदी पढ़ने वाले हैं। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड हिंदी व्यंजन लेटर्स. So, all of you, first we have learnt swar letters, that is a, e, u, a, I, o, au, ah. Same way, in Hindi letters there are Vyanjan. In Hindi letters there are Vyanjan, and Vyanjan in English we call it as consonants. Consonants in Hindi we call it as Vyanjan, and in English we call it as consonants. Today we are going to see the consonant letters th, th, dhadana. From that we are going to see. In the previous video we saw the letters kha, kha, gagana, cha, cha, jajana. In this video we are going to see the letters th, th, dhadana. So welcome students to the new Hindi letters, that is new Vyanjan letters. Now let's see. The first letter is ta. The first letter is ta. All of you can see this letter clearly. See, one small standing line is there and one C is there. This letter we call it as ta. We call it as ta. You have to say a little sharper, ta. Okay. Now let's see the pictures belonging to ta. Ta. See the letter here, it is there. Ta. Ta say tomato. Ta say tomato. Tomato means tomato. Tomato means tomato. Ta, ma, ta, r. Tomato. Ta, ma, ta, r. Tomato. And the next picture, see a lovely kid is there inside a tub. This we call it as a tub in Hindi also, and in English also we call it as tub. Now let's see the letter. This is ta, and ta say tub. All of you see here, ta, b, tub, ta, b, tub. Okay students. Now let's move to the next letter, that is ta. That is ta. See in ta, th. This letter we call it as th. One small standing line and one O is there. We call this letter as th. That letter we called it as ta. This letter we call it as th. Now let's see the pictures belonging to t. T say tatera. T say tatera. Tatera means tinker. See here, Tinker. Tinker. Tinker is the person who repairs the vessel. If there is any bending, if there is any hole in that, the person repairs that vessels. He has been called as tinker. Tinker, we call it him in Hindi as tatera. Te, ra, tatera. Te, ra, tatera. And see, all of you have seen this picture. This we call in English as stamp, and in Hindi we call it as thappa. Stamp we all know, where we are putting a print on the paper, we use this stamp. It is an important seal like picture. Okay, so we call it as thappa. Tha, ip, pa, thappa. Ta, hip, pa. Already I have said that half letters we put a small line will come like this. That means the letter is half. See here it is half pa. So it is tha, ip, pa, thappa. Ta say tatera. Ta say thappa. Ta say tatera. Ta say thappa. The next letter is da. The next letter is da. One small standing line and one yes is there. We call it as da. This letter looks like yes, English yes. All of you can see it properly. See, it looks like a English yes. Now let's see the pictures belonging to da. All of you can see there is a road here. Yes or no? Yes, this road we call in Hindi as Dagar. Da se Dagar. See this yes like letter is there. This we call it as Da, and Da se Dagar. Da se Dagar. Da ga r Dagar. Da ga r Dagar. We saw the g letter previously. G se Gamla. This is that g only. Okay. Dagar means road. Dagar means road. Okay. And this is da se Damru. Da se Damru. Damru you all have seen in the person's hand who keep some persons keep them in temples, use them in temples. Some of them, first there should be man who used to play with the monkeys. They use this damru to give them order. If they play this damru, the monkey used to dance. This is called as damru. In English also we call it as damru only, I think so. Da se Dagar, da se Damru, da se Damru. Now let's see the next letter, that is Da. The next letter is Da. Okay, in Da there is one small standing line, one C like letter is there, and one small O is attached to it. Okay, one small O is there. This we call as Da. Da se. Now let's see the pictures belonging to Da. Da se Dhakkan. Dhakkan all of you have seen in your kitchen. Yes or no? While cooking food, while keeping the food in some vessels, we put the lid. Yes, moodi potrupom. We put lid on that vessels. This we call it as Dhakkan. This we call it as Dhakkan. Dhakkan means lid. Dhakkan means lid. And this we call it as duff. This is a music instrument. In English we call it as tambourine. In English we call it as tambourine. Duff. In Hindi we call it as duff. In English we call it as tambourine. Okay, now let's see. Da se Dhakkan. Da se Dhakkan. Da ik na Dhakkan. Da ik na Dhakkan. And this we call it as duff. Da se duff. Da for duff. The next letter is Na. The next letter is Na. This in the Na we don't write in the first letter for the words. There is no word starting from Na. This Na has been written as the last word in the last letter in the words. Now see here, this is the feet. This is the feet, and feet in Hindi we call it as charan. Feet in Hindi we call it as charan. See, the Na has been written here at the end of the word. Cha ra na charan. Cha ra na charan. Okay, charan means feet, and this letter we call it as Na. Again see, for Na for ban. Na for ban. Ba na. Here also see, the Na is written in the ending of the word. Yes, Na is written in the ending of the word. And this is Ban. Ban means arrow. Ban means arrow. Arrow in Hindi we call it as Ban. Charana. Charan. In this we can't say Na say Charan, because the first letter of the word is not Na. Here the last letter of the word is Na. So we cannot say Na say Charan. Okay. Charana. Charan. The Na letter is there in the ending of the word. Here it is Ban, and in Ban also the Na is there in the ending of the word. Ban means arrow. Charan means feet. Okay. The next letter is Tha. The next letter is Tha. All of you see here, one standing line is there, and one sleeping, and one slanting line is there. This we call it as Tha. Now let's see the picture belonging to Tha. Tha se Tharu. Tha se Tharu. There is a lovely tree. Yes, in English we call it as tree, and in Hindi we call it as Taru. Taru means tree. Okay. Ta se Taru. Ta se Taru. Tha plus Ru. Here see, along with Ra I have put U matra here. Okay, then it will become Ru. Ta Ru. Taru. Taru. Ta se Taru, and Taru means tree. Taru means tree. And this Tha. This is tha. Tha, it looks like a bird. See, all of you can see this letter looks like a bird. Yes, now this is tha. Now let's see what is the picture belonging to tha. Tha se thal. Tha se thal. Thal means land. Thal means land. Yes, all of you can see under our feet there is land. Yes, this land we call it as thal. Tha, la, thal. Thal means land. See, here I have written in English. Thal, thal. Thal means land. Thal, thal. Thal means land. And see this picture. Thermos. This is thermos in Hindi, and in English we call it as flask. Okay. Flask is thermos in Hindi. Now let's see the letters here. Th, R, M, S. Thermos. Th, R, M, S. Thermos. Okay. Tha se thal. Tha se thermos. This is da. This is da. See, one standing line is there, one curve is there, and one knot is there here. In the ending of the letter, there is a knot. This we call as dha. This we call as dha. Now let's see the pictures related to dha. Dha se dal. See, all of you can see there is a crowd of people. There are crowd of people standing here. This we call it as dal in Hindi, and English we call it as crowd. In English we call it as crowd. Dal, dal. Dal means crowd. Dal, dal. Dal means crowd. And this here is a ink bottle. Here it is a ink bottle, and this ink bottle we call it as davat. We call it as davat. Davat. Davat means ink pot. Davat. Davat means ink pot. And the letter is dha. This letter is dha. That letter we read as dha. This letter we read as dha. Dha, see, one small circle is there here, and 3. It is the reverse of 3 number, and one standing line is there along with it. We call it as dha. Now dha se dhanush. Dha se dhanush. This bow. See here, the bow is there. I am showing in the video. This bow we call it as dhanush. Dhanusha. With na there is u matra, so it is becoming nu. Dhanusha. Dhanush means bow. Dhanush means bow. In here a pot full of money, golden money is there. We call it as dhan. We call it as dhan. Money we call in Hindi as dhan. 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 Dhan means money. Dhan. Dhan means money. And then next letter is na. The next letter is na. Here see, it looks like a tap. All of you can see? Yes, it looks like a tap. Yes or no? This letter we call it as na. Let's see the picture related to na. Na se nal. Nal means tap. Na la. Null. Na la. Null. Null means tap. Null means tap. So students, today we have learned the letters tha, tha, dadana. Tha, tha, dadana. Tha, ta, dadana. Tha, ta, dadana. Tha, tha, dadana. Okay students, I hope you all have learnt the letters properly. All of you practice well these letters. Each and every letter you have to write and see in your book, and you have to read the pictures along with this letters. Then it will be clear for you all. This letter is pa. This letter is pa. Pa, see, one U shape is there and one standing line is there. Yes, one U shape is there and one standing line is there. This we call it as pa. Pa se patta. Pa se patta. Pa itta. Patta. Patta means leaf. Pa itta. Patta. Patta means leaf. Leaf in Hindi we call it as patta. Here also the ta is half, so see one small slanting line is there. Pa itta. Patta. and this letter is fa. This letter is fa. For fan we say f sound, fa sound is coming, that fa will come for this letter. Fa, see, one pa is there and one curve is there, here joined to it, we call it as fa. We call it as fa. Now let's see the picture related to fa. Fa say phal. Phal means fruits. See, there are many fruits here. All the fruits together we call it as phal. 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 Phal means fruit. Phal. Phal. Phal means fruits. And the next letter is ba. The next letter is ba. Ba, one standing line is there, one curve is there, inside that curve one slanting line is there. We call it as ba. Ba se bandar. Ba se bandar. Ba in the ra. Bandar means monkey. Bandar means monkey. Here also the half na is there, so there is one small slanting line below the letter na. Ba in the ra. And when it is half letter, you have to add the e sound before the letter. Then na plus in, e plus na, in. Ba in the ra. Bandar. Bandar means monkey. And here in this picture there is a goat. Goat in Hindi we call it as bakari. 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 Bakari means goat. Bakari. Bakari means goat. And the next letter is bha. The next letter is bha. That we read as bha. This we will read as bha. Ba, one small curve is there, and here one knot like is there, one sleeping line and one standing line. This we call it as bha. Bha se bhavan. Bha se bhavan. The tall buildings we can see, that we call it as bhavan in Hindi. Bha va na. Bhavan. Bhavan means building. Bha va na. Bhavan means building. Now let's see the next word, ma. This letter we call it as ma. It looks similar to bha only, but in bha there is one circle here above, but in ma there is only down, only one circle is there. So it looks similar to bha. Okay, this is ma. This is ma. One standing line and one knot and one sleeping line and one standing line. This we call it as ma. Now let's see the picture related to ma. Ma se magarmach. Crocodile in Hindi we call it as magarmach. Ma ga ra ma ich. See here also cha is half, so I am adding the e sound before this letter. Ich. Ma ga ra ma ich. Magarmach. Magar means crocodile. Magarmach means crocodile. And this picture, all of us know, it is a spider, and spider in Hindi we call it as makhadi. 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 Makhadi means spider. Makhadi. Makhadi means spider. Okay students, so we have learned the letters today. Thatta dadana, thatta dadana, paffa babama. Today we have learnt all these 3 lines. All of you practice these 3 lines very well and take care of yourself. Thank you students.